Think back to your first words. It's a pretty big milestone and is indicative of the things that we see as well as hear as newborns. It's a reflection of the connections we make from our observations of the world around us. There is a saying that human beings are learning machines, but what about machines that learn? Machine learning often brings to mind the hyper-intelligent robots of the sci-fi universe. But the technology is developing into a much more promising reality. Algorithms, which are essentially procedures for computing a function, powered by machine learning and large samples of data, enable us to solve some tough problems. For instance, a fun aspect of long drives. Directions for driving. You may already know that our navigation apps rely on GPS satellites to pinpoint, to a fairly accurate degree, our location. Complex algorithms are used to figure out the most direct route to get to wherever it is we want to go. And most of the time this works just fine. But what happens if there's a traffic jam along the most direct route? Well, following the app's navigation, as well as the algorithm itself, wouldn't be the best choice. Fortunately, machine learning is here to save the day. That is, the day's travel history. Traditional algorithms rely on human developers to provide explicit instructions, and uses what is called an A-star search algorithm to find the fastest route between nodes. In data-based algorithms, the added aspect of machine learning allows data to guide the process. And so, machine learning enables the app to improve its recommendations algorithm based on data from actual trips. By using a training set comprised of representative data, the computer develops a model which can then be compared against an expected output. The more data the computer takes into account, the more accurate and sophisticated the model becomes without developers having to write additional lines of code. In the case of a navigation app, what's unique is that the set of data can allow the algorithm to accurately predict whether a particular route is likely to be congested at a certain time of day. Understanding the effects of a rush hour on a freeway or the parade celebrations taking place downtown, it can recommend a faster route as required. Machine learning's ability to construct algorithms based on especially large real-world data sets has allowed developers and data scientists alike to accomplish tasks ranging from creating a reliable chatbot for client support or to better detecting heart disease and diabetes in hospital patients. As we're in the transition stages for the implementation of machine learning, we're only just now beginning to explore its full potential. And as we head into the direction of more advanced computing, we can sure enough expect a transformative change of life as depicted in the good old sci-fi movies. Thank you for watching.